What are you doing? Can I get that bone? Can I get the bone? Can I get that bone? You're done eating. Can I get the bone? Can I get the bone? Look, you're so happy today. Happy. Now watch this. You wanna go bye-bye? You wanna go bye-bye? We go bye-bye. You wanna go bye-bye? Look, now, look at her sweet. She wants to go bye-bye. You wanna go bye-bye? What happened if I ask you what you're doing? What are you doing? She don't like that. We go bye-bye? Come on, go bye-bye. Can I smell you? Come on, let's go bye-bye. Come on. We go bye-bye. Okay, so I can go bye-bye? We gonna go bye-bye? Come on, let's go bye-bye, chicken. Oh, what are you trying to bite me for? I'm taking you bye-bye. You go bye-bye? I want to know, what are you doing? What are you doing with that bow? We go bye-bye. We go bye-bye. Look, she go bye-bye, we go bye-bye. You wanna go bye-bye? You wanna go bye-bye? And she thinks I'm gonna get her bow. You can't touch the bow. But we go bye-bye, right? Alright, well, subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share my video. Thanks for watching.